This is our sub-arc machine, which means submerged arc. When it's welding, you can't see the arc. It's not bright. This is the recovery system, so when it's welding, it'll suck up the flux afterwards, back and recover it still through. They have a little camera right here that follows the head. We could probably do up to an 84-inch diameter barrel. This one here is 78. On a 36-foot trailer, we'll have 7 rings, so you know, there's 14 plus joining the shells together. Everything is controlled by that monitor. That joystick moves up and down and back and forth. You don't have to climb up like we did years ago. On a 36-foot trailer, we'll have 7 rings, so it pretty much cuts your time in half by doing it with this machine as opposed to doing it by hand like we used to years ago. This is pretty much the bread and butter of this side of the shop anyways, for the tank shop.